Say that again.
It weighs a lot.
We're building your pregnant belly. You have seashells in your belly. You ate a lot.
I'm gonna have a mermaid.
I don't want to rub her cooch. She's gonna be a pregnant tranny. Yeah, we'll give her a penis. She has to have a bulge. Look, she has a bulge.
It's washing away. I can feel it sinking between my...
Ew.
Feels like an oversized period.
Ew.
You have something popping up. You're an island.
Ew.
Your eyes aren't even open.
Because the sun hurts. I can't.
You'll see it. Oh my god.
Ah.
It's funny because you can't see it.
I can't. I just feel it.